Hello Primary 3, how are you today? I hope all of you be fine. Today we will complete Primary 3 Math first term. Okay, we will complete Primary 3 Math first term. Lesson 2 is about how we can make a bar graph, daily marks and daily table. Okay, how we can make a bar graph, daily marks and daily table. Okay, focus with me to understand this lesson. At first, you know that bar graph formed from horizontal line and vertical line. Okay, bar graph formed from what? Horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line is a line go from left and right. This is called what? Say with me, horizontal line. Horizontal line go from left to right, and vertical line go up and down. Vertical line, vertical line. So bar graph formed from what? Super. Horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line, vertical line. Horizontal line go from left and right, and the vertical line up and down. Up and down. And in horizontal line here we write names. Okay? And on vertical line we write numbers. And each of them is divided into equal parts. Horizontal line divide into equal parts, and the vertical line divide into equal parts. So bar graph formed from what? Who can say? Super. Horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line go from what to what? Excellent. From left to right. And the vertical line go what and what? Go up and down. And each of them is divided into equal parts. What is the meaning of each of them divided into equal parts? When we write data in here, we must use the same distance. Okay, divide into equal parts, the same distance. Do you understand it? Okay. Example on bar graph. By asking some pupils about their birthdays and write the number of each month, they represent it by bar graph. Okay, this is called what? Bar graph. We used horizontal line and the vertical line. This horizontal line we write in here January, February, March, and so on. And in here we use what? Vertical line, and we write numbers in here. Okay, who can solve with me these questions? Number one, number of students whose birthday in March. How many students whose birthday in March? Where March? March in here from horizontal line. Okay, go to vertical line to see how many students whose birthday in March. Super, 3. So we write 3 students. Okay, number 2, the month which has the most number of birthdays. Which month in here has the most number of birthdays? Super. The most meaning we choose the greatest one. July? No. May? No. Super. January. January equal what? 9. It's the greatest one, the most number of birthdays. So we write January. Okay, the month which has the least number of birthdays. The least meaning the smallest number of birthdays. Super. March, because March just 3 only. So we write March. Okay. You remember with me, the most meaning the greatest, and the least meaning the smallest. And which ask about what? Super, about name. Which ask about name of months. But how many ask about numbers? Do you remember it? Do you understand it well? Okay. After bar graph, daily marks. What is the meaning of daily marks? Daily marks, a mark is used to record woods, or other items. A mark, what is the meaning of mark? Dash like it, is used to record woods or other items. You can use tally marks to help count and organize data. How we can use tally marks? Remember that at first. This dash meaning one only, okay? And this meaning what? 1, 2, super. And if we draw 3 dash, meaning 3. And if we draw 4, meaning 4. And when we draw 5, we draw 4 like it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 1 like it to make bundle. Okay, so this equal 5. When you see it, this meaning 5 without counting. Is this easy? Okay. In here, example on tally marks, count how many heads and how many tails and how many in all. Head and tail. In here we have how many heads? Who can count? 1, 2, 3. So we write 3. Number 2, how many tails? In here we have how many tails? Who can say this equal what? Super, 5 without counting. If you want to count, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we make bundle by 5. 5 and in here what? 3. 5 plus 3 equal what? Super, equal 8. So how many tails? 8. How many in all? All of it. Heads and tails. Okay, we will find the total. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 equal what? 8 in our mind and 3 in our hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many in all? Super, 11. Okay, in here we have heads and tails. How many heads? Who can say? Count. This equal what? Super, 5 without counting. This equal what? 5. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 10 plus 1 equal what? Super, 11. Number 2, how many tails? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4. How many in all? All of it. 11 plus 4. 11 in our mind and 4 in our hand. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Super. So how many in all? 15 woods. Is this easy? Do you understand how to get data from this table? Okay. Tally table. Tally table. A table is used to tally to record data. Okay? A table is used tally to record data. Complete the tally table, then answer. In here we have tally table. Use tally marks. Okay, use tally marks to record data. So in here we have some animals, tally mark and number. Animals like horse, cow, buffalo, and donkey. Horse equal how many? Who can solve it? Super, 1, 2. So we will write 2. Cow equal how many? Excellent, 5 without counting. Was this bundle? Okay, buffalo equal how many? 5 plus 1 equal what? Super, 6. So buffalo equal 6. Donkey equal how many? Yes, great, 3. All of you can count how many dash? Okay. Complete the tally table. We complete the tally table. You understand what's the meaning of tally table again? It is a table that used tally, use this marks, okay, to record data. Okay, what is the number of cows in the farm? Who can say? How many cows in the farm? Cows, super, 5. Number 2, which animal has the greatest number, the most number? 6, super. Which? Ask about name. Super, buffalo. So we write it. Okay. Which? Ask about name again. Which animal has the least number, the smallest number? Super, horse, just 2. So we will write horse. Don't write two, because which animal? Ask about the name of animal, not ask about numbers. Okay, the last one, how many? How many ask about what? Super. How many ask about numbers. How many animals are there in the farm? All animals? Yes, all animals in the farm. So we will find the total of it. Okay, find the total of these numbers with me. 2 plus 5 at first equal what? Excellent, 7. Okay, and 6 plus 3 equal what? 6. Okay, super, equal 9. So 7 plus 9 equal what? 7 in our mind and 9 in our hand, or 9 in our mind and 7 in our hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the total number here equal what? 16. So we write how many animals are there in the farm? 16 animals. Is this easy? Do you understand what's the meaning of tally table and tally markers? Okay. After it, we have relation between tally table and bar graph. We know what's the meaning of bar graph. We say bar graph formed from two lines, horizontal line and the vertical line, and they intersect at one point, and the horizontal line go from left to right, and the vertical line go from up and down, and we use it to show the data like it. Okay, and tally table use tally marks to record a data like it. So what is the relation between them? By asking some pupils about their favorite subject, complete the tally table from the bar graph. We will complete this tally table from this bar graph. Okay, in here, who can say at first, how many students like Arabic? Arabic go up to what? 2, super. How many like English? Super, 3. How many students like math? Super, 5. How many students like BE? 4. How many students like science? We go to vertical line to say how many? Super, 7. So in here, Arabic, you can make tally mark. Yes, Arabic go up to what? Go up to 2. So we will make 2 in tally marks. And the number of pupils, we write 2. Okay, English. Who can say how many English? Super, 3. So we will draw 3 dash like it. 1, 2, 3, and write 3. Because English go up to what? Go up to 3. After English, math. Okay, math go up to what? Math go up to, excellent, 5. Who can make 5 in tally markers? Make bundle. Okay, we make like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a bundle like it. And we will write 5. Okay, BE. All of you like BE? Yes, I know. Okay, BE go up to what? Super, 4. So we will make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and write 4. And the last one, science. How many students like science? Super, 7. All of you like science? 1, 2, 3, 4, and close this bundle. 5, 6, 7, and we will write 7 in here. So we will use bar graph to complete a tally table. Okay, let's solve. How many in all? In all. In all meaning plus or minus? Yes, that's right. Plus. But subtract meaning minus or more than meaning minus. Okay. How many in all like? How many students in all like Arabic and math? Okay, at first, how many students like Arabic? Super, just 2. Plus, how many students like math? Super, 5. 2 plus 5 equal what? 5 in our mind and 2 in our hand. After 5, 6, 7. So the total number like Arabic and math, 7. Okay, how many more pupils like science than Arabic? Than, super, than meaning minus. Okay, science at first. How many students like science? Super. 7. The meaning minus, not plus. Arabic, Arabic equal to. So 7 minus 2 equal what? Sure, equal 5. Is this easy? You can know what is the relation between daily table and the bar graph. Okay. In here, complete the table and color the bar graph. We will complete this table and color the bar graph. Okay. First, equal how many in daily? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write number here 4. Second, 1, 2. So we will write 2. Third, super 5 without counting. And fourth, 6. Okay, who can color with me the bar graph? Okay, okay, say first go up to what? 4. So we will color up to 4. Color up to 4 near stop. Okay, second, excellent, 2. So second in here on the horizontal line and go up to 2 on the vertical line, 2 in here, and we colored all of it. Okay, third equal 5. We go up to 5 in here, yes, and we will color all of it. And fourth, 6. So 6 in here, and we will color all of it by pencil. Okay, now we finished this lesson. All of you understand this lesson? What is the meaning of daily mark? A mark is used to record data, okay, and use markers. And what is the meaning of daily table? And what's the meaning of bar graph? And what is the relation between them? All of you understand well? Okay, thank you, Primary 3, for listening, and goodbye.